Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra, the topic that is about geometric progressions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that this one we can put like this because they just repeat about 36 many times, so we can transform this one into the summation. So I just concentrate on this one. So if we look carefully, this is about the geometric progression. So we know that a number 1 that is about 0.36, and the common ratio that is about 1 over 100. So we know that 1 over 100 is smaller than number 1, and now we can find the sum of this series in here, and that should be about a number 1 over 1 minus r. And we know that a number 1 that is about this one, and r that is about 1 over 100. So we calculate this one, and we have 4 over 11, and now we can put this one into 4 over 11, and now we calculate this one, and we have 15 over 11, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.